It would have to be one of the BMW wheels, either I think it's an M4 competition or the M8 series. They're all black. They have too many spokes, like way too many spokes. They're mirror finish, or like not mirror finish, but like piano finish. Every little speck of dirt you can see, and behind the spokes is really hard to get. Really hard. Like a hubcap, very minimal amount of work to be done there. You know, basic Toyota, or like an old basic Toyota, or a work truck. You know, something that's very, very basic. There's some Teslas also that have very minimalistic looking rims on there, and it's, you know, they don't have much brake dust also on some Teslas or electric cars actually.
Least favorite wheel. I think David said his are like sports cars wheels. I don't disagree, but I don't entirely agree. But specifically, I'm gonna have to go with BMW wheels, just because they have a lip around the face of the wheels, and it's just really difficult to get there, especially when like cleaning the barrels. You're just flicking all that stuff back on you, so you're covered in brake dust, and it's just a lot of extra work to get that area clean. My favorite wheel, I'm biased. I'm gonna have to say the wheels on my car. Those are probably the easiest, yeah. Scion TC wheels, man, they're just so easy. There's no lip, you know, wide open spokes, so you can easily get in and out from there, and there's not much work on the face either.
My favorite wheel to work on is a Tesla, or a Tesla wheel, or most electric car wheels, just because they don't break, they don't create too much brake dust, and it makes it easier to work on. And the Tesla wheel is pretty easy to work on. There's never really any brake dust to clean, so that would definitely be my easiest. As far as the worst, wheel to work on is a wheel with a piano black, like a shiny black finished wheel. And those are usually on a lot of premium cars, especially the German cars that we work on. So there's there's a BMW M3 that we work on all the time, maintenance, and there's a lot of spokes. It's all black. It's a piano black finish. It has a lot of spokes, a lot of little crannies and crevices on it, and they're really, really hard to work on. That wheel itself takes probably 10 to 15 minutes just on one wheel. So those are the worst. I don't like working on them. Yeah.